Alright guys, we're in the jungle. Not really. It's a canyon, one that hardly anyone comes into. We just saw a rattlesnake down there on our way in, but I couldn't get the camera out in time. But I was just happy that I saw it because it was right in our path. But anyway, let's put you here on this eucalyptus tree that's fallen down. Great big eucalyptus tree, huge thing. But we'll prop you up just there. All right, we got a steel warrior to look at by Frost Cutlery, and that's the number there. It's another muskrat. I like my muskrats. Let's take a look at it. I have already had a sneak peek at this one, but I just want to show you how they come, because I like how they wrap these knives. And bear in mind, these are really budget knives. Look at the paper these things come in, Steel Warrior, greaseproof paper. I like that a lot, big fan of that. There we go, Steel Warrior. This one does have an issue. It's got a crack here running through the cover. Whoever was tapping the rivets in did one tap too many. But other than that, this knife is perfect. The blade centering's good. I mean, it's polished up beautifully. It's really nice, so don't let this put you off. I mean, you can't expect 100% perfection coming from a really low-end budget knife. I mean, we're talking less than 10 bucks here for a double-bladed knife. But anyway, let's ignore the crack. I don't even know if you can see it there, but we'll ignore that. There's a little bit of gappage on the back here too. In the, I don't know, it looks like there's a bit missing out of the brass liner there. You'll see it better on camera than I can with my eyes. All the imperfections seem to show up much better on close-up on camera. But anyway, let's ignore that for a minute and look at the rest of it. The badge is seated in there, recessed really nicely. Lovely nickel silver plated bolsters and pins, and great little blades, these things. Stamped Steel Warrior on one side, 440 stainless on the other. I think the Rockwell hardness is 56 to 58, but I can't see without my glasses on. Nice nail pull there, match strike style nail pull. These are real pointy, really good for intricate work, and this one is really sharp. I got a bit of bark here off the eucalyptus tree, but this is really pretty sharp. Probably shave with this one. Nice blade. I'll put the dimensions up on the screen. See what the spring's like. Pretty good. The pull is good on it too. Let's get both blades up, which is the beauty of the muskrat, is having the two blades. And you could go into battle like that if you wanted to. You'd probably cut your fingers off though, because there's no lock on these. But pretty clean, this one. Really polished, nice. Just let down by that crack there, and a little bit of gappage on the back here. But for the money, I'm happy. I wouldn't send a knife like this back. I have a job sending any knives back. It's a real hassle, mostly. Unless you buy on Amazon, sending knives back is a hassle. I had a bad experience with Blade HQ with not a cheap knife. You know, it ended up costing me about 70 odd bucks, and that was just before January, and I still haven't got my money back from them. And that knife had a bent blade tip. I was really pissed about it because I liked the knife. And they don't do just a straight exchange. You have to get your money back. You have to reorder. So I'm done with Blade HQ after that experience. But that's another video which will be coming up soon.
Anyway, there you go, tang stamps, 440. I went off on a tangent there, sorry guys. But that's how it is when you buy knives sometimes. They're not all winners. But I do like this knife, I will carry it. Yeah, it's got a crack in it, which I'm not happy about, but there you go, that's life. Catch you later guys. In the meantime, me and Peanut will be dodging snakes in the jungle for a little while. He's down there. He's watching the path. He knows there's people down there on the road. But we're going to venture in here and have a look at some cactus and see what we can find. Catch you later guys. Peanut, watch out for snake, Peanut. You don't want to run into one of these in the dark. Hey Nuggy, we don't want to run into one of them. Yeah, you don't want to run into these prickly monsters in the dark. These things grow huge too. Alright. Catch you later guys.